name is Jasmine and today I'm going to show you how your customers can refer friends using Facebook. To do so, when the customer logs in, they would go from the dashboard all the way down to referrals. And then from here is the different ways that your customer can refer people over to you. But one way that they can promote that we're going to be talking about today is using Facebook. All they would have to do is click this post button. This will direct them to their Facebook page if they're already logged in. If not, then they would just have to log in and then they can start their post. Here I'm just going to type out a quick message. So this is something that the client would put in, and then as we can see here, it automatically has a sign up box connected to the post. So if I click share, this will go on to my feeds, and I'm going to show you how it would look. As here we can see that it's on my feeds. Anyone that clicks on it, it'll redirect them to a sign up page where they can fill out this information, and then they would fall inside of your ScoreCEO portal. And that's how a customer can refer a friend using Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please comment down below and give us a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.